As you can see, the return trail back to the parking lot is there. That's the older trail sign. Behind me is the exit for the blue trail. But I found out how to get to the green trail because I went back this way. So this is pretty much a two-way trail here. And it doesn't really say much as to if bikes are allowed up here or not. But they must be because the green trail starts right up here. And this is a brand new trail. They just put in this year. It's got rollers. Looks like it might have some jumps. It's got a boardwalk. It's got everything for a average rider to ride. So you can see it's right ahead of me, and it's rocking. Or it looks like it's rocking, anyways. But see, they don't have any bike thing on here either, so I really don't know. And it's a fresh trail. It might be a little loose. I'm trying to stay in the center line of it. I'm pretty tired. I got myself beaten up. Black Diamond trails. They got features here. Easy features that, oh my gosh, look at this thing up here. Oh, this is awesomeness. I can see they got a drop up here too. See, this is a good feature for someone to learn how to track the back tire. I'm almost too tired to care. Oh my gosh. And I am so tired. I do not know. I'm gonna go off the side of this thing. Yeah. Okay. Oh my gosh! They got some fun stuff here. Oh yeah. Here, well, I'm taking this one. Here, take it. Oh! I should have taken the other one. That was fun. Guys, this is an awesome trail. Wow! Oh, you got some rollers. Another drop. Oh, a staircase. Nice. I want to do this trail again. Manual it. Come on, manual. Manual. I'm sucking a big giant unga. Okay. So, I'm confused. What direction does it go? I think it goes this way. Wow. So they got features here. You can, ouch, my hand is just not recovering from the crash. Oh, hell yeah. I'm taking this. You betcha. That's like super easy. Oh, yeah. Folks, get out and ride this with your kids. They ride this, and if they don't get into mountain biking, then take their bike away from them. I think you could ride this twice. I think that's what I'm going to do. There's a drop. You know, easy stuff like this is just, the only thing I don't like is it's in the sun. There's more erosion right there. Erosion. Got to get some erosion. So I'm confused. I'm doing it again, aren't I? I seriously just want to frickin' do that, but I just didn't have enough speed. So the exit then is this thing up here. Oh yeah! Pump it, man! Pump it! That's my second time through. Alright, I didn't get that first drop. I'm thinking that there goes up. Wow. Oh yeah, we can do this. Freaking A. Not quite. Really close. My tire, front tire, hit it. Okay, so that goes out. And I'm not sure. I'm really not sure. You can just do this over and over and over again. And I believe you're supposed to go like this, and then like this, and then that gets you off. I might end up missing my oh yeah. See, I'm missing my oh, maybe not up. But am I doing this in reverse? No. Well, this is a test video. Yeah, I'm doing this in reverse. That is super confusing.